The following movie is rated I.
What's going on in Cheezy's garage today? Well, looks like another pressure washer. Let's get her done. Another nice little compact unit. Hose. Not on a reel. Replaceable tips. Pre-lubed. Hey, this didn't come with its own little screwdriver like most of them do. That's fine, of course. I happen to have one still. Of course, I have to mention the assistance of my Atari van for the build of this pressure washer. Okay. Different size screws. 2 super long. And the rest are mediums. Does have a little bit of grease on there already. A little stiff hose. So that is it for putting it together. The one big pro of this pressure washer is it's small. A lot of times you may want something tiny for space saving, but I have to say I missed a pressure reel. I don't see any place to put these tips. The hose is very, very rigid, and when it's cold out, it's worse. It's about 55 here in my garage. This claims, let's see what it says for pressure. 2,200 pound rated pressure, 1,600 watt, 2 gallons per minute. Up our water supply. Bleed this out. Get the air out of that. Now we can hook up the power. Now imagine if they made a hose reel and a wire reel on one of these. That'd be like the ultimate. Or how about one that mounts on a wall? They can keep permanent. Plug it in, but with a hose reel, of course. Ground fault works. Let's use some of my Purple Power soap.
Let's see how long this hose is.
Looks like a little over 20 feet. See what it's got. Oh, running out. I'm empty. Gotta work quick with these little ones. Now, on to the tips. Guess I'm gonna have to get a Ziploc or something. Need my wand. Don't you dare. That's a 25 degree. White is a 40 degree. Spray pattern. Orange is a 15 degree spray pattern. Which I'll be using. And then red is a pinpoint, 0 degree. Bugs are out already. Let's see how this works with an undercarriage wash. Not bad. Alright, time for a gallon per minute test. Okay, now let's see how many PSI this will push out max. Dead head. Ready? 1200. Pretty much all are 1200 max. Alright, what do I think? If you're looking for something that's really subcompact, this would be it. At the price point, it's pretty good. You do have to pay extra for the hose reel. If you don't mind not having a hose reel, not having a tip holder, then this might be perfect for you. It is nice and small.
That's what she said.
So I'm going to have links below, and there is going to be a discount code for you guys also. So if you're interested,
buy it. Don't think about it, buy it.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.